to stay, comfortable bed, and huge space to move around. Fits perfectly well for solo travelers, clean bathroom, huge and soft bed, and warm comforter for winter. Open cabinet fits my 2 huge luggages. Just room too small. Cannot even open a 30 baggage. Inn Hotel has very friendly staff. Their family room that we booked is quite spacious and the hot water is great. It is located in a quiet neighborhood but there are many restaurants nearby. Quick check-in, helpful staff, even I help out if they way to facilitate their guest needs, and very good prices as well. In general I prefer to stay there. Only my last 8 trips to Zurich I always stay in that hotel. Clean rooms and staff always helpful. Clean, nice and easy, great front desk work as well. We had a warm welcome from the reception. The room was very clean and the hotel is nearby the train station by walking distance. The hotel emoji, was really good, staff friendly and helpful, especially lady who was serving breakfast. Highly recommended. Highly recommended. Staff was very nice to transfer us to another room per my mother's request. And because Switzerland uses different outlet sockets, receptionist was very kind to lend us one. Breakfast is superb, coffee, tea or cacao will be made per request. Very nice. This was a quick 2-night stay for us. We checked in early and we were still able to get into our room within the hour. We have 2 small children and our room was plenty big for all of us and for their pack and play. The room was very clean. The hotel is on a block with several nightclubs and bars, so we were a little concerned when we first arrived, but honestly, it was not loud and we didn't feel unsafe walking around. I opened the window at about 2 a.m. and the street was already same like home, so friendly staff, I can say best staff ever encountered. Overall very happy with this, they attend to all my requests. The room are clean, bed is comfortable and the price are very reasonable for Zurich area, just the location is a little far for us to move our luggage. Spacious room for us. Staff are friendly and within 2 minutes walk to supermarket. Nice hotel with quite spacious room for the family. 2 minutes walk to supermarkets and have 2 nice Thai food around corners. Clean and polite staff. Facilities and hotel was good but it's only transport. There are bus services to the train station but those with big or heavy luggage not advisable for this hotel. Travel by bus to save cost as taxi is expensive. It will be comfortable for light travelers as we need a good choice for a stay in Zurich. Inconspicuous entrance, don't walk past it. Rooms are a bit on the small side but are comfortable and have what you need. Choose a rate with the inclusive breakfast, a good selection of continental breakfast ingredients plus scrambled eggs. Plenty of small restaurants within walking distance and the station, HBM.